Today I'm going to run through a bike check on my HB130 trail bike ripping machine. Good day for a couple of runs up my local. So I'm just currently deciding what spring to run. Flipping between a 388 and a 375. Both have their charm. I got myself on a size medium for this bike and I'm running the mullet wheel setup with a conversion link that Hope make. That magical link also bumps the travel up 10mm up to 140. A bit more travel because of the smaller back wheel, and match that with a 150 fork. Got the perfect trail bike setup. Any advice for me?
Chop that tree down. Try again.
I'll take it. Hope machined the mould in-house for the front triangle and then lay up the carbon by hand. Just look at the finish on that. The rear end is CNC'd machine stays, and I'm finding the flex spot on for heaps of grip on the trail. So comfy. For brakes I've got Hope's Tech 4 levers, still to be released. Got a set on the bike early. They've gone for the lightest lever throw possible on these, so easy on the finger. Hope were kind enough to make me a custom brake lever because I like it so close to the bar. I've gone for an extra kink and brought it in closer than the standard. For the cockpit I've got OneUp's handlebar and stem, gone for a 50mm stem, 750 bar width with a 20mm rise, and I've got Gusset's single file grip. Has a 30mm diameter grip and a nice tight knurl. I've got a 170mm OneUp dropper on this bike. Also new this year is the switch to Hope's Union clip pedals, the TC trail pedals. I'm running the 5-degree release cleat. They do a 4 and a 5, so I'm going for a bit more float. I've got Ohlins suspension on this bike, gone for the RXF 36mm fork. And that's set at a 150mm travel, so 150 fork, 140mm travel on the rear. For this bike and all my bikes I like to run a 165 crank length, and I just think you can pedal through the chunder no bother, and it gives you a really nice stance on the bike for downhill. For the wheel set I've gone for Hope's Fortus 30 SC wheels. That's the 30mm single cavity rim, so the new lightweight 30mm rim from Hope. Paired that up with the Pro 4 hubs front and back. And on top of them, we've got Schwalbe's Magic Mary tyres, Addix Ultra Soft front and soft on the rear. For the hydration, got Fidlock's Twist Bottle 800, and that just goes, clips in the frame, a couple of magnets, easy peasy. For a so-called trail bike, I think I'm in love. Good day, absolutely chuffed. Thanks for filming, and see you next time. If you got any questions about the bike, the setup, or life in general, let me know in the comments, and I'll answer away. We'll see you next time.